So Corey surprised me with a trip to the petting zoo. He told me that to just put on some clothes and that he was going to take me somewhere. And we ended up here at the petting zoo, and I am so excited.
Ridge Wild Animal Park. As you can see, this isn't your typical school bus, but we still have a few rules to follow. We do ask that you remain seated while the bus is in motion and keep your arms, heads, and all body parts inside of the bus. Plus, you will see some ostrich eggs. These ostrich eggs are a very strong egg, and to test this, we had a 200-pound person stand on one of these eggs to see if it would break. And it didn't break. The raccoons are also trying to break these eggs to eat them, but they have no luck. You will see our Grant zebras. They are the shortest and stockiest of the 6 subspecies of plain zebra and can weigh up to 700 pounds.
When's the last time they feed these birds? Okay, y'all eating the mom up.
Oh, okay.
Hey y'all, it's a party. Okay, y'all eating all the seeds up. Save it for someone else. I ain't gonna have none. Oh, you so pretty.
Oh, okay, y'all a little reckless.
Hello. Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh, okay.
He on his back. Hey, hi.
Hey, what y'all got? Yeah, I make hey, they call me wrong. Yeah, little wrong.
Hey. How you doing? Hey. And I do a little bit like that. Oh, we got you, boy, all day.
Oh, yeah, what y'all got? What y'all got?
Hey, how you doing?
No, you missed it.
How you doing?
Hey, you hungry too.
Oh, okay.
They tripping over there. Because they tripping.
I got spit on
You
me.
talking, man. You gotta let somebody else get some.
Let the ladies get some. I think you're a lady, ain't you?
I don't know. Like, oh, you go get me. No, I ain't trying to get my feet down or what?
He wants some too.
Let me see this. Video camera.
Yeah.
I don't want you like that. Okay.
You lady one too. God bless y'all. God bless y'all. Hi. You guys are so pretty.
Oh, you look a little aggressive, homie. Oh, about you.
You guys are so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
Eat it.
With your big old eyes.
You did give it. Nope, you gotta wash your hands now.
I kind of hungry. This my time. No, you being greedy. You hungry, huh? Yeah, I know. Okay.
He's like, I want some too. I want some of the action. You want some of the action too?
No, I got to take some more.
We all want some. We all hungry. I'm hungry too. Me too. I want some. Dog. And you can't forget about me, the baby. Hey, my name is Sean. I want some too. It just keeps doing the same thing.
This is like the all day, yo. All day.
Hello. Hi. Ooh, their noses are so soft. And their head. Hey, turtle. Hey, turtle. Hello. Y'all are some very friendly turtles. Very friendly turtles. Listen, if you ain't got enough for me, we ain't talking.
Randy.
Hey y'all, so Corey surprised me. It took me to the petting zoo, which I really, really love. I love animals and I love to pet them especially. So I'm thinking he said put on your clothes, but I want to take you somewhere. And I'm like, okay. I'm thinking we're going to go to like a special trail or something, because we always love to walk, as y'all know. And then he get on the freeway and it's going towards Detroit, and I'm like, are we going to Detroit? And he like, no, we're not going there. And I was like, okay. And then he gets off the freeway, and then we're in this part that looks like the country. It's just fields and barn houses and whatnot and animals. Oh, I feel here. I think I'm gonna need some more Caesar salad dressing.